Did you know this year it's incredibly easy to make money online? In fact, you could set your computer to bring in $230, $497, or even up to $1,300 for you every single day. It's almost artificial intelligence. It's incredibly simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Better yet, it's the exact same system that brings in $1,700, $1,900, and even $2,000. Amazingly, I've been using this method for almost 3 years, and in that time, I'm consistently generating an average of $15,000 every week. You see here, $17,409, $14,472, and even $20,436 per week. That's right. And it's thanks to a powerful system that churns out an entirely automated income that gives them more reason to live life to the fullest. It's brilliant. And very soon, when I share this secret with you, you could be making up to $6,000, $10,000, or even $40,000 every single month. I don't believe in luck. I believe in systems that work, because before I discovered this method, I wasted years of my life on nonsense get-rich-quick schemes that simply didn't work. Now I live a dream life, sustained by a computer system for an entirely passive income. Just look what it makes. And not once did I have to put on a uniform, sit in rush hour traffic, catch the train, or answer to a boss. I make money from the comfort of my home, working less than 30 minutes per day, and so can you. Here's the thing. You don't need any special skills or previous experience to make this work or to get started, because not so long ago, I was probably in a much worse situation than you are in right now. I had multiple low-paying jobs, living paycheck to paycheck, and still, every week, borrowing from friends and family to survive. And to be totally honest, I must tell you this up front. I'm not a millionaire. That's right. But I earn an average of up to $15,000 every week that I'm pretty much happy with. I live comfortably, so if you're looking for $1 million, then this is not for you. $15,000 per week is pretty good, and it's all thanks to the power of the internet and one very special system that I'll show you shortly so you can mirror my success. It can't get easier than that. Simply mirror my system to success. So listen very closely for the next few minutes, as you will only hear this once. This page could be taken down within hours, so pay close attention, because you're about to discover how incredibly easy it really is to make money online today with your computer. And before we go any further, I must stress that the money-making technique I'm about to reveal to you is completely legal and it's easy. In fact, it's so easy that you'll want to keep it a secret until you've made as much money as possible before telling your friends and family. But before that, there's 2 requirements you need for this to work. The first requirement is you need a laptop or a computer that has access to the internet. That I believe you already have because you're watching this using an internet connection, so you're already halfway there. Keep listening. The second requirement is a set and forget system. You don't need any special equipment or training to use this system either, so that's great news, right? Because as soon as you're set up, money comes in automatically while you're out getting on with your life, doing the things you love. And when you're making up to $40,000 every month, you can possibly do just about anything you've ever wanted. Seriously, think about that sports car you've always wanted, that luxury holiday you keep dreaming about, or even the designer labels in your walk-in wardrobe. Because when you're making that kind of money, you'll automatically fall into the 2% new rich people on this planet, like me.